Hello, you are watching IMS Today. I am Yogita Sharma, and today, on the occasion of 7th International Conference organized at IMS Ghaziabad University Courses Campus on innovation driven technology and sustainable business practices, we are truly honored to welcome our distinguished guest, Dr. Manjeet Kaur ma'am, who is a professor at University Business School, Chandigarh University, and she's also been honored as Innovation Ambassador by Education Ministry of India. We welcome you, ma'am.
Thank you, Yogita, and thank you to IMS for inviting me and giving me this opportunity to interact with you and to see all the research work and the innovation that researchers are doing. So, thanks once again.
To begin, ma'am, how would you define technology driven innovation in the context of sustainable business?
Well, technology driven innovation is something. First of all, what is innovation? Innovation is something doing out of the box and doing it with the purpose of bringing some solution to some problem that society or people are facing. So, technology driven innovation with sustainability means innovation or some solutions which are out of the box, but they are sustainable as well. Sustainable in the sense that they can be used for a longer period of time and they do not have any adverse impact on the environment, right? And bringing such solutions, innovations and sustainable solutions, I think this is what we need at current times, because already you must have heard about there are so much you can use so much buzz or news around this sustainability and how we are facing these issues related to pollution, all respect. Air pollution is there, land pollution is there, ocean pollution is there. So I guess it's high time that, of course, we are looking for solutions for our business problems, but those solutions should be sustainable. They should be environment friendly, so that our businesses can sustain for a longer period of time, and even humankind can enjoy all this for a longer period of time.
Ma'am, many small and medium enterprises feel that sustainable practices are way too expensive to implement from a research perspective. Is there a break even point where sustainable innovation starts paying for itself?
See, the thing is, again, this is when we are talking about this sustainable innovation. So, SMEs or small businesses, they feel that it is costly. But if they look at it from the cost benefit analysis, see, they should not consider only cost of the actual cost in terms of money. Now the scenario is changed. When we are talking about cost is not about finance or money related cost. We have to consider environmental cost also. So if we look at cost benefit analysis, so obviously all these sustainable practices, sustainable innovation, they have more benefit as compared to cost. And if these small businesses, they look at it, initially they might find it costly, but over a period of time, then it will be cost effective, because it will give them sustainable, you can say, it can give them sustainable solutions, sustainable growth to the business.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing your valuable insights with us. For more such valuable content, keep watching IMS Today.